the quadrants, the formula for circumference is either 2 pi r or pi d. So those are the formulas. So we're going to use either of them to solve our questions. So for the first one that we have here is 7.7 centimeter, right? Yes. So that means it's first, let's start with the fraction. So we are definitely going to use the 2 pi r. So that will be 2 times let's take 7.7 to fraction. That is 77, 22 over 7 times 77 over 10. So these two will give it denominator of 1. So now that we have this, they will divide. You see that sometimes using it as fraction is better. So here 1, here 11. 2 here 5, 2 here is off, right? Okay, so that means you now have 22 times 11. 22 times 11 is equal to 242. So that will be 242 divided by 5. That becomes 48 whole number, 2 over 5, or 48.4. Final result, CM, right? So, or we use our pi as decimal as it is. So that's going to be our 2 times your pi, 3.14, times your radius, 7.7. So if you multiply all this, that is 48.356. So if you approximate it to one decimal place, that will be 48.4. You see that it's almost the same thing. We also have radius, do not forget. So we use our 2 pi r, right? So that will be 2 over 1 times, let's change this to fraction. When we change this to fraction, that becomes 4 whole number, 2 over 10. Take it to the lowest term, that becomes 4 whole number, 1 over 5. And that becomes 21 over 5. Does that make sense? So that is your radius, right? So the radius will now be pi is 22 over 7 and radius is 21 over 5. So at this stage you divide, right? So 7 here 1, 7 here 3, right? That becomes 132 divided by 5, right? 5 in 13. 32. 6. You need that 2 over what? 5. Or you take your answer to decimal. So that will be 26.4. 26.4. So either this or this. That's the answer. So you can also do it using your pi as 3.14 and your radius remain the same, right? Yes. So that will be 2 times 3.14 times 4.2. So that gives us 263. So when you multiply, you get 26.376. So this 26.376, if you take it to one decimal place, that will give you 26.4. So which is still the same thing. We are using pi d for this. For this, you have to use pi d because what you have is a diameter. So that will be 22 over 7 times 49 over 1 and this. Then you divide into what? 7. 7 here 1, 7 here 7, right? So 252 times 7 will be 154. You may use your pi as radius, like I said, even despite the fact that it is a whole number, we can still use it as at least to multiply. So that becomes still pi d, don't forget. That will be 3.14 multiplied by 49. So that gives us the 193.86. So if you take it to the nearest whole number, if you round this to the nearest whole number, that becomes 154 to the nearest whole number.